Okay, let's see if I can get this out of the way. There we go. Okay, question number 5. You have decided to paint one of the walls in the dining room blue. The shape of the wall is shown to the right. 1 gallon of paint covers 50 square feet. The wall will need 2 coats of paint. How many gallons of paint will you need to paint the wall? All right, so the first thing we need to do is look at this. It's a composite figure. And we can break it up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and find our rectangle first. And with our rectangle, we have the area is length times width. The equation is 10 feet times 8 feet. I'm not going to give you the answer. You need to multiply 8 by 10 and get your answer. The next shape I have that's left over right here is a triangle. Okay, so my triangle is area equals 1/2 base times height. Now my base is 8 foot because I can take that 8 and it's the same length over here. My height I know is 5 feet because 10 minus 15 gives me that 5 feet right there. Okay, and then all I need to do is get 1/2 of 8, which is 4. 4 times 5 is my area. Now, the other thing I just noticed when making this video is that if I delete this red right here, what shape did I have to begin with? If you looked at this shape, so I can't really go backwards in this, but if you look at this, I have here, which is a parallel line. I have a parallel line here, and I have this line right here, and then this kind of slanted line. This is actually a trapezoid. So I could have had a square in a triangle in a composite figure, or I just have one trapezoid right here. So if you looked at this and you saw a trapezoid, then you would have done base 1 times or plus base 2 times your height, which is 8, and then divided it by 2. And that would have given you the total area of the wall as well. I didn't see that until just now when I was doing this video, so you could have done it that way. Instead of seeing 2 shapes, it could have been one big shape. Either way, what you need to do is find the total area of your wall. Then you need to find out how many gallons of paint you need. Now, the paint covers only 50 square feet for 1 gallon. So I'm going to tell you right now, this is more than 50 square feet. So I'm definitely going to need more than 1 gallon. How many gallons? I don't know. I'm going to have you guys tell me. But that's for 1 coat. If you need 2 coats, however many gallons you think it needs, you need to multiply that by 2. So what you're doing here is your rectangle, you're finding your area, and you're going to put it in the box below. Your triangle, you're going to multiply and put it in the box below. Add those together to get your total area of your wall. Then you're going to find out by rereading the word problem on how many gallons of paint you need. And you're going to put that in that last square right here. You're going to do that before moving on to the final question.